Learning at SIPT is something which I'll always cherish. It's the dynamism that is seeded in one which I feel is something you require as you graduate. The pedagogy of this program was never limited to one single learning, which gave me immense opportunities and freedom. Overall, I would say that the last 2 years has completely transformed me.
The Foundation Studio, being the beginning of our first semester, created a shift in terms of the scales, directing us to look into the objects that we see around, their making, and focusing on the detailing that we tend to miss usually, where we came together as the entire Faculty of Design and learned how to see together.
The Master's program in Interior Design stresses upon the interdisciplinary nature of design practices in India today. Each studio and course is methodically developed and curated to build around the thinking, making, argumentative and representing abilities in each student. This program also emphasizes strongly on a design process which is well informed by the ongoing theoretical and practical discourses in the field of interior design. The curriculum of the program is based on both open-ended and highly structured teaching pedagogies which is taught by the design professionals and academic professionals from around the world.
The exchange opportunity at the program has given me a wide range of window to see beyond my own perception. As an interior designer, it is vital to have a vision towards what all potential world of design holds, and it has proven to be a game changer for me when I got a chance to be part of SUPSI, a partner institute at CEPT University in Switzerland.
Model making or prototyping plays a very important role in design process. MID, with a wide range of studio courses being offered, has given me a chance to play around and work with a variety of mediums. Now for me, prototyping is not only about making scale representations, but rather about learning errors, finding limitations, always looking forward for further scope and development. It's a continuous process of refinement rather.
The studios have changed my perspective of approaching design through diverse ways. The usual way of approaching a design is through plan sections and elevations, but here we approach a design through unconventional ways like through photo montages, axonometries, 3Ds, etc. By the end of the course, we develop a skill set of designing spaces through well-informed theoretical discourses.
The pandemic did not deter the university from conducting our studios online, which we could attend from the safety of our homes, without any compromise in the quality of our knowledge. And now we've transitioned into a seamless hybrid mode of education, where we are able to, in fact, network with professionals all over the world for guest lectures, for workshops, and even online studios.